Hi, my name's Ed Shanshala. I'm the CEO of Ammonoosuc Community Health Services. At ACHS, we provide primary preventive health care. We do so that each of us can stay healthy. Why each of us stay healthy is a very personal and unique story. The following is a personal and unique story of one of our friends, families, or neighbors and why they stay healthy.
One of our children was going through a rough patch after COVID. It really kind of hit its head after they turned 18. And we had no idea what was happening, and they were away at school. And during my physical, I mentioned it because it was something that had been pressing on me. And my doctor cared enough to say, I'll take her as a patient, bring her here. She needs to have the proper care, and she's not getting it. And that basically saved our child's life because the care she had been getting previously was her doctor had actually said to her, I don't really know a lot about mental health, but here's a prescription. And they kept upping her dosage to the point where she was having seizures and had to go to a place to detox from the anti-anxiety meds and the ADD meds that were just thrown on her without any official diagnosis. My daughter met with the doctor here, and she has actually told me that this doctor was the first doctor she saw that actually said, I'm not an expert in mental health, but we have people here who are experts, and I want to put you in touch with them, and we'll make appointments, and we'll get you to the right people. And that's the first time she felt heard. That was about a year ago, and she is currently off her medications and very, very happy. Up here, they know your name. They know who you are, who your kids are. They've seen you over the years. They feel a connection to you. My husband and I grew up in Connecticut. And in Connecticut, you were just a number, and they didn't remember you from the last time you were in there. So you kind of felt this disconnect, and you didn't feel taken care of as much. So up here, you know that they care. I think the connection and the community aspect of it is probably one of the most important, because that gives trust, and you have to have trust in your healthcare professionals to be able to feel comfortable to talk to them, to be able to share things that are going on with you, things that you might not feel are connected to anything, but your healthcare professionals would see those connections and be able to help you and prevent situations in the future.